We got something in the mail here. We got our own box, the Amazon box. And we got this. Oh, bubble wrap. Here it is. Here we got our system sensor, special alert advanced horn strobe. Now, as you can see, this is multi-candela. We can't see the model number of it because usually, but maybe soon we can find it. But there's nothing coming out left. And then we're ready. So usually, I'm gonna go ahead and actually this. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and install this unit onto its own board right here, my fire alarm board. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the old fire alarm to a new fire alarm, the one I got in a new inbox today. So we're gonna go ahead and install this unit right onto the board and see if that's gonna work. And after we gonna go ahead and wire this, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pull it and then see how the horn strobe goes off. Yes, we're also gonna switch the candela on this one as well. Oh yes, so some things like this one could be actually different. This one could be different as a system sensor SBSW speaker strobe, but this one is in the white version, and this one is just a horn strobe version, but this one's new in box. Yeah, the model number is P2R special alert. So this one is so this model, this fire alarm is P2R, and this one is system sensor SBSW. So we're gonna go ahead and install this new horn strobe here. We're gonna go ahead and do this now. All right, to install this, we're gonna go ahead and remove the True Alert Simplex True Alert speaker strobe. All right, so as you can see, I removed the front face cover for it. We're gonna go ahead and take off the screw. And yeah, so I unboxed this fire alarm here, but for some reason there were no construction manuals or some screws to put on it, but they almost forgot. We're gonna go ahead and remove the alarm. We're gonna go ahead and take off this. We're gonna remove the wires. What? Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and remove the True Alert. We're gonna go ahead and remove the speaker strobe, our old device. Alright, so as you can see, our own Simplex True Alert speaker strobe is gone. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and put up the new one here. We're gonna go ahead and so as you can see down here, they have the screw. We're gonna go ahead and remove the screw with your screwdriver. And then slide this out. And then as you can see, I'm not sure which one's the positive or the negative. I don't know. There's no positive or negative sign. I don't know. Okay, so as you can see, I installed the screw. We're gonna go ahead and maybe, I'm not sure which one it is, but the manual is right here. So as you can see, no. Look. No? No, it's fine. So as you can see, okay, sorry about that. I just accidentally flipped that plate upside down. So as you can see, I usually tighten the screw. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and put the wires into the screw terminals, and then we're gonna see how it works. Okay, so as you can see, if the fire alarm stops working or never works, or if I wired it wrong, just tell me. So after that, you're gonna go ahead and pop your alarm inside. Just 1 second, the screw's not in. Alright, now we're gonna see how the fire alarm works now. Hold on, we're gonna go ahead and switch the candela now before we get into that. So we're gonna I recommend switch the candela. We're gonna go ahead and switch it to 75 or maybe 75 could be okay. 75, yep. Alright, let's go ahead and test it out. Alright, so as you can see, I tested out the fire alarm and that one actually works. Yeah, this fire alarm over here is being very loud. But here we go. What the heck? Oh, the fire alarm got disconnected. The batteries got disconnected, I think. Alright, are you ready? Here we go. Okay, that was loud. I can tell you that. That really hurt my ears, like, didn't it? Well, that one actually worked. So we're going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm. 3, 2, 1. No. Without further ado, let's go ahead and pull this. So as you can see, I installed the system sensor horn strobe up. Let's just pull this. That was loud. Yo, that really hurt my ears. The horn was loud. Oh my god. Yeah, that alarm doesn't work. Now I'll try key activating. That really hurt my ears. Whew. You know, that wasn't too bad. Yeah, so tomorrow will be another fire alarm system test of this board here.